Hello everyone, welcome to this Microsoft Excel tutorial. Here in this video, I will share how we can use the subtotal function in Microsoft Excel. For this purpose, I have this sample sales data in which I have regions, salesperson, products, quantity, unit price and total sales. And at the end, I want to find out the total sale. For this purpose, here in this cell, I will write equal subtotal. And after this I have to choose the sum from this list, and that is actually present at number 9, so I will write 9. After this I will put comma, and next I need to select all the cells that I want to add, so I will select this range and then close this bracket and hit enter. So here you can see that I have determined the total sale using the subtotal function. Now I will select my data and I will go to the data tab. Here I will click on this filter and this will apply filter to my data. Now if I click on this button right next to the region, I can choose a particular region and then click OK. So now you can see that I have a customized section of the data based on the filter, and the total is automatically calculating. So it's mean that I don't need to apply the sum formula again and again. So instead of simple sum function, this subtotal function works very well when we need to sort out our data and then apply a particular function. I hope this tutorial made things easier for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more tips and tricks. See you next time.